Hello everyone! It's time to learn a new letter. Yes, it's letter E. E makes the sound a, a, a. E is for engine, ear, elbow, eagle, earrings, elf, envelope, eye, eight, egg, eraser, Eskimo, elephant, and earth. Now, are you ready to play a game with me? We're going to find letter E. Ready to start? I know you can. Let's start. Is this letter E? Yes. This one? Mm-mm. Yes, this is letter E. That's not. Is this letter E? Yes. I know you can find them really fast. Can you see any letter E here? Yes, this is letter E. Let's continue. Do you see letter E? Here it is. Let's go down and check. Where do you see letter E? Here. Here we go. Good job. You found them all. Now it's your turn to find letter E in a book or in a magazine. I know you can do it. Enjoy.